as we know that in yesterday's sum, that electron sum. So initially you can check the questions, all of you. What is the velocity, initial velocity of the electron, all of you? Initial velocity of the electron is 5 into 10 power 4 meter per second. Is it yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes.
Yeah. And its acceleration is A is equals to 10 power 4 meter per second square. Correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, as soon as it will enter into a particular uniform electric field, let me take, this is the uniform electric field. So as we know, its acceleration becomes what? Acceleration A becomes what? 10 power 4 meter per second square. And it acquires what velocity? Double velocity. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. So it will take certain time.
Yes, sir.
In a certain time period, t is equals to something, the velocity of this electron become double, 2 times of initial velocity. That is what is final velocity. Yes or no, guys? All of you. So velocity of her of electron will become 2 times of initial velocity. That is what they mentioned. Calculate the time in which the electron would acquire a velocity double of its initial velocity. So what is the initial velocity, everybody? 5 into 10 power 4 meter per second. So velocity become double means 10 into 10 power 4 meter per second, which is equals to 10 power 1 and 10 power 4. How much totally? Please respond.
10.
10 power 5 meter per second.
meter per second.
Any doubt, Mr. Kishore? So they are asking what is the time taken? Of course, initial velocity of the electron, you can write u is equals to 5 into 10 power 4. Final velocity of the electron is 10 power 5 meter per second. So to change this velocity, definitely it will take certain time. That is what they are asking. What is the time? So you know the initial velocity and you know the acceleration, you know the final velocity. So which equation we can use to find the time? Everybody?
This equation.
By using first equation. So V is equals to U plus V is equals to
80.
plus 80. Yeah. So that is what. Shivani joined. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Good
V
morning,
equals
sir.
to plus 80. So what is the final velocity, all of you? 10 power 5. Initial velocity 5 into 10 power 4 plus acceleration 10 power 4 into t. Okay, Mr. Kishore. Kishore only Rama Prachana. Mudinjicha Kishore.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now observe very
Yes, sir.
carefully, all of you. Let me take now whatever you can do. If you want to do, you can do it. Now this 10 power 5 into 10 power 4 is in addition. Will come this side. What will become? All of you. It will become
Subtraction.
respond.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So I will make
Subtract.
5 into 10 power 4 equals to 10 power 4 into t. Now this 10 power 4 into t, I will bring it this side. So what will become? It is multiplication. It will come this side. What will become, everybody? Respond. All of you, it will become what? Division. So 10 power 5 minus 5 into 10 power 4 divided by 10 power 4. So all of you do this one and tell me how much it will come. 10 is, everybody, t is equals to
5 seconds, sir.
t is equal
5
to
seconds.
that. If you want, you can do it. All of you, you'll get it how much? 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Okay, so that is the answer. So within 5 seconds, it will acquire the velocity. Is it okay, guys? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is what. Or else, sir, can you make it very simplified? That is what. Sir, Kishore may be asking me. So let us make it very simplify this. Don't want this much big calculations and all. Now, very simply, easy manner, I'll make it. Sir, how, sir? You can see that. Very simple, guys. All of you observe. Have you all done this way only? Or you have done in any other way? Anybody? Let me know.
I have done this way, sir.
Sir, another method, sir.
Yeah, another method. How means very simple. Be very careful. See that, guys, here. Abba, some people are nice. A into C plus B into C. Something is common in both. Have you noticed it? Who is that? C. C will be common. Can I write as A plus B? Is it right or wrong? All of you? Yes, Mari? Same way. Both the things, who is common? 10 power 4 is common. So I will write 5 plus T. Is it right or wrong? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Understood? Now you can see, I will directly cancel 10 power 4 and 10 power 5 I will cancel. Then remaining how much is here? 10 power 1 means 10. 10 is equals to 5 plus t and t is equals to 10 minus 5. Is it okay guys? 5 seconds. Simply varandicha. Is it easy or difficulty? Easy only. Correct? Kishore? Respond Kishore. I'm asking you only.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you only. Sir, how you cancel 10 power 4? Have you understand 10 power 4 is in multiplication. Will come this side, what will become? Division. Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
So that is how I cancel. Any doubt in this, Sangamitrai? I don't know. Doing or not?
No,
Next,
sir.
Roman number 2. So we have to find how much distance the electron would cover. Distance we have to find it. So we all know initial velocity, we know the time period, and we know the acceleration. So to calculate it, you can use either second equation or third equation, your choice, because we know the both initial velocity and final velocity. So which equation you want? I will prefer second equation, ut plus half at square. So s is equals to initial velocity is how much? Initial velocity, all of you, 5 into initial velocity is how much, guys?
10 power 4.
Yeah, 5 into
5 into
10
10
power
power 4.
4. 5 into 10 power 4 into time is 5 plus half into acceleration. Acceleration how much? 10 power 4 into
10 power 4.
time is 5. 5 square. Okay. So that is what it will be happening. Okay. That's fine, Lingesh. No problem. So S is equals to 5 into 5. How much? 5 into 5. Again same.
25.
25 into 10 power 4 plus, and you can see here half into 10 power 4 into 5 square. So can you tell me 10 power 4 means 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 2, how much, guys?
10 power 3.
What?
5,000.
Okay, 5,000. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? Yes, please. Mari,
Yes, sir.
that is what. So now you can see,
Yes.
or else let it be leave this one as usual. Now keep it in this and you tell me this is, and this one something is common. Can you tell me what is that?
10
Everybody?
power 4.
10 power
10 to
4.
the power 4.
Not only that, not only this, another thing also. 25, can I write it as a 5 into 5, 5
Sir, 5 square, sir.
Ah,
5 square.
that is what I wanted. Understand it? So 5 square and as well as into 10 power 4 is common. So means inside what is remaining? 1 plus half into 5 or else 5 by 2. Is it right or no, Mari? Right? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the
Yes,
common.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you can keep it only 10 power 4. That is what it is a simplified way. So 10 power 4 alone, you keep it outside and you solve remaining things. Okay, I will solve it like this. You can see. So 10 power 4, I will keep it outside. Remaining what is there? All of you. 25 plus here 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 means how much, guys? 10 power 4 into 25 plus 25 by 2, 12.5. Is it right or wrong? Nobody will respond. That's all. So 25 plus 12.5, which is equals to 37.5 into 10 power 4 meters. Is the right answer, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this one. We all knows 10 power 3 is equals to 10 power 3 meters equals to how many kilometers? 1 kilometer. Is it right?
1 kilometer.
Yeah. So I will write this one as 375 because into 10 I will do 375 into 10 power 3 meters. Is it any problem for you people?
No, sir.
No. So
Sir.
10 power 3 meters means 10 power 3 meters means how many kilometers? 1 kilometer. Totally how much answer? S is equals to
375.
375 kilometers. Okay. So that is what is expected answer. Anyone having any problem, you can ask me or else you can solve. Is it okay, Mr. Kishore? Lingesh? Hasini?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what. Now today's class we are going to draw a graph. You must be able to draw the graph. That graph will make you, it's very important question. Exam also they'll ask you that. Okay. So now Mari, who is absent is Gokul, Rajesh, Sailesh and Sanjay. Is it correct? Any other?
Mm.
Okay. So next question. This is the most important question. I think question number Shivani, Magalya, question number what? I forgot. Question number 9, 10,
11.
11. Okay. Right. Using following data, draw displacement time graph for moving object. Anyone having any doubt, please kindly ask me. Don't hesitate. You have to ask. So now I'm drawing the graph. I'm giving the data. So let us note down everybody. So construct the tabular column with 10 by 10. I'm inserting here. Okay. So you can see that. Okay. So first one is time and second one is displacement. So time will measure in how? Seconds. Displacement will be in meters. Okay. So time 0, displacement also 0. Time 2, displacement is 2. Time 4, displacement is 4. Time 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Clear? Next. 6 means again displacement is 4 only. Next, 8 also displacement is 4 only. 10 means displacement is 6. Clear? 10 means displacement is how much? 6. Then 12 means again displacement is 4. 14 means displacement is 2. And 16 means displacement is what? Everybody. Displacement is 0. This is the given data.
0.
Are you all clear, everybody? Yes, please. All of you? Please.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
what.
sir.
This is using the following data. Draw displacement time graph for moving object. That is fine. We will draw. No issues. Now, use this data. Question is not at over. Use this graph. Use this graph to find average velocity for first 4 seconds, for next 4 seconds, and for last 4 seconds. Last 6 seconds. Is it okay, guys? So we have to find average velocity for how many? First 4 seconds, next 4 seconds, and next one what? Next 6 seconds. Is it okay? So that is what. Shall we start now, everybody? Are you all ready? So draw the graph as usual. We people will prefer it. So actually, upward graph. Magalya, are you doing? Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis graph. Okay. So now we know that intersection point. What do we used to call? 0.
Zero.
Now they are asking to draw a graph for what? Everybody. To draw a graph for what? Please respond.
Displacement time.
Displacement and time graph. Okay. So time will come in which axis?
X-axis.
Axis.
Time in x-axis and displacement in
Y-axis.
meters in y-axis. Clear? So now time interval first. Time interval what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So totally how many? So 0 after how many seconds? 2 seconds. Equal distance. Try to drop 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 14 seconds, 16 seconds. Is it okay, guys? Any problem? All of you? Next. Same way displacement. Displacement how much? 0, 2, next one. 4, next one. 6 meters, next one. 8 meters, next one. 10 meters. Of course, we don't have more than that. This is enough for us. Is it okay, guys? All of you ready? Respond, please. Nobody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us
Yes,
see
sir.
how to draw the graph. We are going to draw the graph now. So 0 seconds. What is the displacement? First point. 0 seconds. What is the displacement? 0. Yes or no? Yes, please. Engage. Next.
Sir.
2 seconds. What is the displacement? 2 seconds means what is the displacement? Yes, please. 2. Yes or no, Mari? Yes or no? All of you. Next, 4 seconds. What is the displacement? 4. So till here, the graph will come like this. Is it yes or no, guys? Will you all accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others? 2 seconds. 2.
I don't understand, sir.
2 seconds displacement is 2. 4 seconds displacement is 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2 seconds displacement is 2. 4 seconds displacement is 4. Okay, wow. Straight line. You have to draw straight line. Next, from 4 seconds to, check it everybody here, from 4 seconds to 8 seconds, what is the displacement? Is there any displacement? Is there any change in displacement? 4 seconds to 8 seconds. See that 4 seconds also 4 only, 6 seconds also 4 only, 8 seconds also 4 only. So till 8 seconds, what is the displacement?
Constant.
Constant. No displacement it is. So till 8 seconds, same. So next 8 seconds to 10 seconds. What is the displacement? 8 seconds to 10 seconds. What is the displacement?
Same force.
All of you? 8 seconds to 10 seconds. What is the displacement, guys?
4.
4 or 2 or 6? Correct?
4, sir.
It went to 6. Then 12 seconds to 4. 12 seconds. 12 seconds it came back to where? Again 4. Again 4 to 14 seconds it will came back to where? 2. And 16 seconds finally it came back to where?
0.
0. Are you all clear? Understood? Please respond. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
finally 16 seconds it came back to where? 16 seconds it came back to where? 0. Do you all understand? Mari, Sanjay, sorry, Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will draw the things also here to make you clear. So 10 seconds, I'll try to make dotted lines so that you all understand. Okay, dotted lines. You draw straight line. Here, this is not a proper scale. That is why I am not getting straight lines. But they must come as a what? Everybody? They must be in a straight lines. Clear, everyone? 12 seconds. What is the displacement? 4. Is it right or wrong, guys? All of you? Please respond. Next 14 seconds. What is the displacement? Again, it came back to 2. Clear? And finally, 16 seconds. Body came back to where? Body came back to 0. Yes or no? Others, nobody responding. Are you understood or not? So that is what?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see. I will mark the points. You draw a straight line. So I'll mark the points. Okay. Now you can notice it. So let me take this point is till here, increasing actually displacement. So till here I'll take it as A point. This till here B point. This is C point. And finally what point it is? A, B, C, and finally this point is D. Is it okay, guys? Any problem for you people? And let me take, as you know, till 4 seconds, it is increasing acceleration. So I will take it this point as a E point. And again, B to C is also increasing. So this point as a F point. Any problem? Anybody people? Understood? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the graph. So based upon the data, I have drawn displacement time graph. This is how my graph will come. So you have to get a straight lines. This all straight lines, guys. Okay. I have not got, but you have to get it. Okay. Now you can see. So this is how the graph I plotted. That's fine. I have no problem. So I found this is 2 seconds, 2 meters, 4 seconds, 4 meters, 6 seconds, same 6, 4 meters, 8 seconds also 4 meters only. Now 10 seconds it will go to still 6 meters. Again 12 seconds it will come back to 4 meters. Again 14 seconds it will come back to 2 meters. And again 16 seconds it will come back to where? All of you. It will come back to 0. Yes or no, guys? That is what. So here one more point is there. That is what I forgot. So that is 6 seconds. So this is what it is. Anybody having any doubt in this? Ask me. Clear, guys? Graph.
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking.
Yes.
By using this graph, we have to find what? Find average velocity for first 4 seconds. So first 4 seconds means what is that? Everybody tell me velocity. Displacement time graph will give you what? We already studied. Displacement time graph will gives you what? All of you.
Velocity.
Velocity.
Velocity. So we all know how to find. They're asking average velocity. So average velocity means formula. What is the formula?
So this is in uniform rate, sir. So
Yeah, uniform rate. So
displacement
displacement divided by time.
divided by time.
Yeah. So let me take this point is I am assuming as a triangle. You can check it. This is A. 0 to 4 seconds. This point is E. This point is O. This point is A. So can you tell me slope? Slope will give you the display velocity. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Slope. So what is the slope? Slope of the graph. Everybody.
Sir, one, sir. One.
All of you respond. So this is A point, this is E point, and this is O point. So from here to here, 0 to 4 seconds. From here to here also, if you notice it, 4. So what is the slope actually? Slope, can you tell me, Agalya? What is the slope of the graph? Slope of the graph is equals to AE divided by OE. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
what. So AE divided by OE, which is equals to AE is how much? A is 4 divided by OE is equals to also 4. So how much is the V average? V average is equals to how much, guys?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Amari.
One, sir.
Sir, can't we subtract that, sir? 2, 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 2
You want
in
you
the
can do it,
time.
Mari. Slope means you can do it. You can do it.
Yes, sir.
4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. Is it right or wrong? That's all. So you'll get finally 4 by 4 only, correct? Slope. My slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this value is y2, this value is y1, this value is x2, this value is x1. So what is the value formula? Everybody do it. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is what? 4. Y1 is what? 0. Same way, x2 is 4 and x1 is what? X1 is what? Everybody, please respond. 0.
Zero.
So if you do it, we'll get the answer 4 by 4. That's all. So 4 by 4 means what is the acceleration? Everybody? 0. Clear? Understood, everybody? Next.
Yes.
Next. For next 4 seconds. What is the next 4 seconds? Everybody? Displacement is what? Slope is 0. So slope 0 means displacement also what? Sorry, everybody. Well, displacement is constant. So there is no slope. So slope is
Zero
0.
acceleration.
Velocity is what? Acceleration illa mari velocity. Displacement time graph will give you velocity. So for the first next 4 seconds, for the next 4 seconds, if you have taken, displacement is constant. So displacement is constant means slope of the graph is what? All of you. Yes, please.
0.
0. Understand? Hence, body is at what? Displacement is constant means body is at what? Moving or at rest?
Rest.
Body is at rest. If the body is at rest means what is the average velocity? Body is at rest. It means
0.
average velocity. Average velocity is 0. So if you want, you can find it also. Nothing wrong. So initial point, y-axis, initial point is y, this one, and final point is also this one. Final time is 8, initial time is 4. So you can check it. So what is the final displacement? You can check it anything. So slope of the graph. So slope from A to B. A to B. That is what? From 4 seconds to 8 seconds. Understand? So what is the formula? Slope is equals to everybody. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is what? 4 minus y1 is also 4 divided by x2 is 8 and x1 is 4. So 4 minus 4, 0 divided by 4. So 0 divided by anything. What is that?
0.
0.
0. So that from 4 to 8 seconds, next 4 seconds, body is at what? Everybody. Body is
Yes.
at rest means average velocity or velocity is equals to how much, guys? All of you.
0.
0.
Meter per second.
0 meter per second. From where to where? From 4 seconds to 8 seconds. Next. Next is very complicated. Next 6 seconds. 6 seconds means from where to where you have to calculate. From 10 to, see that everybody, between not B and C. Understand all, Lingesh? They are not asking between B and C. Between C and B and C is again increasing. Of course, increasing velocity. Velocity will be there. But they are asking last 6 seconds. Last 6 seconds means it will come from 8 to 16 or 10 to
Sir,
16.
last 6 seconds is a deceleration, sir. Retardation.
Retardation. Acceleration illa mari decreasing velocity. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Decreasing.
Yeah, they are asking from C to D means last 6 seconds. So last 6 seconds means not from B to D. From where it will come? From everybody.
C to D.
From C to D. Understanding? So from C to D you can find the slope again. Same thing. So very simple it is. So what is the point actually? CFD. So tell me that. CFD means what? CFD is a triangle. So we can find the slope easily. So C, F and D. So tell me, all of you. So initial point is what? Initial point top or bottom? Initial point is this is initial point. Understanding? And this is the final point. And time we can find. And this is also initial time. Initial time and this is the final time. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. So initially body is at point C. Means what is the displacement? Check it, everybody.
6, sir.
What is the displacement
6.
of a body? Initially at 6
6.
seconds. Yeah,
6 meter per second.
meters. And no, 6 meter per second, 6 meters. What is the final point?
Yes, sir. 6 meter.
Final point is what? 0.
0. 6 minus 0.
That is 6 minus 0 illa mari 0 minus 6. Y2 minus Y1. Understood? Okay. V average.
Yes, sir.
It is decreasing, Mari. It should come negative or positive?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
It
sir.
should come negative or positive? Decreasing.
Negative.
So that is what? So displacement divided by time. So negative. So you can take slope also. Slope is equals to what is the formula? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus
X2.
X1.
2
So
minus
this is
X1.
our Y2 value. So Y2 value how much? 0. Y1 value how much? 6. And
6.
X2 value 16. And X1 value how much? 8.
10.
10. Sorry, 10. X1 value is
10.
10. So substitute the values. Everybody. 0 minus 6
Minus 1,
divided
sir.
by 16
So-
minus 10, which is equals to minus 6 divided by 6, which is equals to how much?
Minus
Minus
1
one.
What is
per
the V
second.
average? All of you. Average velocity, how much it is?
Minus 1 meter.
1 meter per second.
Minus 1 meter per second. Is it okay, everybody? Have you all understood? So that is why
Yes,
the
sir.
graph is what? Downwards or upwards? The graph is downward.
Downward.
Downwards.
So that is what you have to understand. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Clear, everybody? Alfin, Darshan, Kishore?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important. Okay. So here last 6 seconds they said, but if you have taken from B point, is it possible to find? B point is not there. Do you all understand, everybody? B to C they are not asking. Last 6 seconds means from where it will come? From C to D. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay, do it now. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. So 4 to 8 seconds, body is at what? 4 to 8 seconds, body is at rest.
Rest.
Okay, so that is what. Next, 1 to 4 seconds, body is at what? Increasing velocity. Okay, and 10 to 16 seconds, decreasing velocity.
See.
Decreasing velocity. That is what totally 4 graphs. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Are clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please solve it. Any doubt, anyone can ask me. Alpin, completed. Kishore, Hasini.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Pranav, have you understood, Pranav? Okay. Okay, that's fine. Next. So this is what, if this question is over, the next question is the most important question. So this is even very, very tough. Unless you understand very clearly, you cannot solve. So question number 12, right? Two stones are thrown vertically upwards. Two stones are thrown vertically upwards simultaneously. What do you mean by simultaneously?
Next and next.
No, at a time.
Next to next
At
they are throwing.
at a time, yes. Simultaneously with their initial velocities. Nivedan solving
Yes, sir.
Yeah, initial velocities u1 and u2. So what is the initial velocities of the two stones? u1 and u2. Clear? So Pranav, u1 and u2
Sir.
respectively. Prove that the heights reached by them
Sir, what is that, sir? Through up.
prove prove that the heights reached by them would be in the ratio of u1 square is to u2 square. Assume upward acceleration, negative or positive? Upward acceleration going against gravity, negative or positive?
Negative, sir.
That is upward acceleration to be minus g, and downward acceleration, what is the downward acceleration?
Positive.
Positive. Downward acceleration
Plus G.
plus g. Is it okay, guys? All of you understood? Yes. So what is our work? Anybody can explain the question? What you understand? What is our duty? We have to prove that the ratios are same. Is it yes or no, guys? The height reaching by them is ratios of u1 square is to u2 square. Shall we prove it now, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very
Yes, sir.
simple.
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. If you're having a logical brain, that's enough. So for the first stone, so we all knows any object is thrown upward. Let me take. I have thrown one body. Please mute yourself. Who is that? This is the stone one. Next, this is the stone two. So they are not talking about their mass and all. You will remember that. So what is the initial velocity of this body? Everybody? u1. What is the initial velocity of this one? u2.
You too.
Is it clear, everybody? Please respond. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
let me take the height reached by them. The height reached by the height reached by the stone one, I will assume as a h1. Is there any problem for you? All of you? Yes, please. Mari, Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
The height reached by the stone 1 is h1, I am assuming. Same way, the height reached by the stone 2, I am assuming as what? h2.
H2.
Any problem,
Two.
Shivani? Now,
Yes, sir.
going against to gravity. So A is equals to minus G. Here also A is equals to what? Minus G. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
be smart and tell me, any body is going upwards, something will become 0. What is that? I want that.
Sir, the final
velocity.
final
After
velocity
reaching
becomes
to the certain height, final velocity become what? 0.
Zero.
Final
Zero.
velocity become what? 0. Both the stones. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
yes. So you know the initial, they are not talking about the time. We have to prove that. What we have to prove here? Read it here. What is it proving? Prove that the heights reached by them would be in the ratios of u1 square is to u2 square. Is it yes or no, guys? Means in the sense of h1 is to h2, which must be equals to ratios of u1 square is to u2 square. That is what they're asking
both
us
should
to
be
prove.
same.
They are asking us to prove. That is what they're asking. Yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the
Yes,
question
sir.
they're asking us. So let us prove it now. It's not a big deal. Very simple. For stone 1, my meeting is going to end. You have to join quickly so that I'll teach this. So for stone 1, we all know initial velocity is u1. Initial velocity is u1. Next, tell me, acceleration is how much? Minus g. Final velocity.
We can
v1.
take minus 10 power 10 meter per
Mari,
second.
why are you taking Mari? It's not a numerical, it's a value based question. Symbols. Why are you taking that is and all? Understand?
Yes,
How?
sir. Yes.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So v1. Now v2. Final velocity is what? v1 is what? 0. Clear? And distance traveled by 1. I assumed as a what? h1. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Please. Now.
Yes, sir.
So I want h and u relation. So which equation I can apply? Anybody can tell me? I can apply some equation. Now, which equation? No time is talking.
Second.
Second, Amari. Second, third time is there, Mari.